Hi guys, it's Michael with the Diamond Family again. As always, thank you for taking a second to watch these videos. This is about Valentine's Day 2020. We really try to make it easy every year. We think we've really outdone ourselves this year. It's basically a one-stop shop. So all you have to do is come here. We have a massive selection as always. We spend only $299 and you're gonna get a dozen beautiful long stem roses, not like cheap roses too, they're high quality roses. You get a box of chocolates and a $25 Visa gift card. We have a huge selection. It's not like you stop by and there's only one thing for $299. There's hundreds of items, cases full of stuff that you can pick from that are right around $300. In fact, in some cases you can get whole sets for 300 bucks. We'll give you a voucher so you can go next door to the fruit stand, which happens to turn into a florist conveniently enough for us. And you can pick up your fresh roses there up until Valentine's Day. You can also get a dozen chocolate covered strawberries. So you can pick between these and these, and again, you get a Visa gift card and a box of chocolates and a beautiful gift from the Diamond Family. So we'd love to have you in. Thanks for watching. Happy Valentine's Day.